Okay.
We're just gonna stand here for 20 minutes?
Yes.
Nice, fun.
All right, well, anyways, we're here at Knott's Berry Farm approximately a year and like a little over a month after the park has reopened. It's been closed since March of 2020, and even though they've been open for food festivals, they have actually not been running their rides since, like I said, March 2020. So this is the first day back that they are running with rides. Here's Ghost Rider right here, probably the most overrated wooden roller coaster ever. Apocalypse is better. And also, this is my sister right here. Do you have something to say?
Sister.
Okay, that's fine.
Graham.
So,
Graham.
oh, right, yeah. There's her Graham right there.
Graham.
But anyways, we're gonna ride Ghost Rider because it's gonna get a long line later, and I'd rather not wait in line for a overrated roller coaster. But here we go. Alright, so anyways, Ghost Rider was actually running a lot better than it was before. Not smooth, so it's the same smooth times, but just in terms of intensity, the laterals on the end were actually pretty good, but I still don't care. Apocalypse is still better. It's fun. Gold Striker is even better too. I like that it's a long ride, but what do you think of it?
Hang time.
Oh yeah, hang time. Look, there it goes right there. Woohoo, most overrated roller coaster in California. Yay, okay, time to go ride hang time. Okay, bye. Get on this. Time for hang time. What? Thoughts on hang time? Ready, go.
Epic.
Just epic, that's it?
Bench.
Okay, well, yeah, but there's no benches around. You can't say bench unless there's a bench.
Picnic table.
No, that's illegal. Anyways, hang time, this thing is like a weird wild card. Okay, last time I rode it, it was butter smooth. That time it was very rattly. Primarily this weird stretched out vertical loop 0G roll thing. You can really feel the track transition like right about there. It's like really rattly there. But other than that, it's still a solid ride. The airtime going off of that the beyond vertical drop is really good. And there's Accelerator, which you are going to ride next. Yay. Alright, so after one front row ride and one back row ride, a few things about Accelerator. First of all, it's still really rattly. That's never changed about it. It is very rough, and yes, supreme meme, by the way. But yeah, so Accelerator, it's still a really good coaster. What were your thoughts on it?
Yes.
Fair enough. Okay, so but yeah, also another interesting thing, they're running.
You say another interesting thing.
I said another interesting thing is they're running 2 trains on it. I haven't seen Accelerator run 2 trains in a really long time for maintenance issues, obviously. So it is running 2 trains, so that's really good for capacity. But yeah, now I'm gonna ride Supreme Meme, so yeah, see you later. Supreme Meme, it's not as good as Lex Luthor. Dragon Tower at Castle Park is better because there's more airtime. But it's still fun, it's tall, you get a nice view of, you know, the park and stuff, so it's cool. Yeah, that's about it though. Alright, so here is the current queue about an hour after park opening for Knott's Berry Tales. As you can see, it literally goes all the way down there by Hang Time. Yeah, so for those of you who didn't know, this ride literally just opened like today, so obviously everyone wants to ride it. I don't really care about it. I mean, it's just a Trial Tech Dark ride. I mean, I already rode Voyage to the Iron Reef. It's just the same thing but retheme. I mean, it would be interesting to check out, but like I'll probably ride it at some point today. But you know, here we go. This is the line as of right now. And as you can see, the line continues all the way down here, almost to the boardwalk, or to the boardwalk pier, I should say. So I don't know if you can see it. I mean, you should be able to see it, but there are actually like these little glass barriers in the queue, so that actually helps with social distancing a lot, which is really nice. That is not something Six Flags had, but this does. Epic. Also, I just want to say that I mean, this is pretty much the only line at Knott's Berry Farm right now, so I can definitely tell that Knott's is doing a much better job than Six Flags in terms of social. I mean, I guess it's really not the park, but more so just people. I mean, maybe between these barriers and the actual markers, these are a lot more visible. The ones at Six Flags were these tiny little circles on the ground, and they were kind of hard to see. But yeah, people are definitely following the social distancing guidelines here. So that's really good. Also, if you see up there, that's the indoor queue section, but it's not actually being used. I mean, there's a person standing there letting a little bit of people in at a time, so to make sure people aren't queuing indoors. I know Six Flags tried doing that, but they weren't the best at doing it. There were definitely a lot of indoor queues that were being used when they weren't supposed to. So yes, so far, definitely an improvement. No, I'm good.
You don't remember?
Yes, I know what that is. Oh my god, look, they have a soapbox racer basketball. This was a really old ride that used to be at the park.
What is it?
It was a thing. Oh, look at that. This was the old, because I think a lot of this is tribute, because, you know, this ride is obviously like a redo of the first Knott's Berry Tale. So this was the Roaring 20s map. There's Corkscrew. Wow. And look, is that? Oh, that's Motorcycle Chase. Interesting. Okay, so update. We rode Berry Tales, and then we rode Hang Time, right?
Pause.
And then we rode that
Bench. Look.
what? Oh yeah, bench. And then we rode the freaking glider thing, Castle Park Dragon Flyers. Yes, that. And then we rode Accelerator. I'm surprised. It's about 1 o'clock p.m. and there's still no lines yet.
It's 1 o'clock a.m.
It is 1 in the morning, and we still haven't come across super long lines, except for Berry Tales and Calico. The log ride, it was down. It still is, but there are a bunch of maintenance workers there working on it, and they got the water running too. So I feel like we'll be seeing that open today. That would be really nice if it does. But so far, it's been a great day. Everything's been really empty, obviously, like I said, except for Berry Tales. But other than that, it's pretty much been a walk-ons on everything. 3 rides on Hang Time, 3 rides on Accelerator. Yeah, pretty good. Well, Shay, you're in the vlog now.
Sick, dude.
Do you have anything to say?
Accelerator's running 2 trains.
Yeah, it actually is, and it's really cool.
Wow. So good.
Alright guys, go ahead and walk in slowly for me.
All right, after like, what, how long were we here for? Like an hour maybe?
Yeah,
About an hour of waiting. They finally got the log ride open. Best log ride in California, 100%. Rest in peace, log jammer at Magic Mountain, you will be missed. Yeah, so here we go. Timber Memeton log ride has finally reopened. Let's go. What? What? Yeah!
I was gonna stop. I was like, yeah. I kind of wish it stopped.
Imagine.
Yeah,
roll
like,
back
yeah.
on Timber Mountain log ride.
Woo!
Roll back on Timber Mountain log ride, not clickbait or anything.
Not clickbait, we're about to die.
We are about to get very moist. Oh wow, look at that. The accelerator station completely cleared out. I think it's broken. One ride opens, the next one breaks.
We ended up on so many people's cameras just now.
Waterfall. Oh right, it's about to get dark or something, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
No, turn your flashlight off. Legendary. So, how was that?
I'm wet.
That is okay. Okay, we rode the Timber Mountain log ride.
That log ride was very
moist. We got wet. But anyways, it's kind of ironic because the log ride reopened just as Accelerator went down. We were waiting for the log ride and Accelerator was launching, and then the moment we ride it, now Accelerator is completely down. It was only a matter of time. Accelerator is not the most reliable thing here. So, I mean, I even talked about it in my video predicting how Knott's reopening will go. How I said that Accelerator, it is an unreliable ride. So yeah, honestly, just quick tips. Come to Knott's Berry Farm early in the morning. I got 3 rides on Accelerator. One of them was a Zen ride. I also got 3 rides on Hang Time, all walk-ons. So like, yeah, come in the morning, because that's when you don't, because if the shorter line you have to wait for Accelerator, the better, because like I said, it's an unreliable ride. So the longer you have to wait, the more risky it is to, you know, for it to break down, because this thing can break down pretty easily as it is broken down right now. So yes. And here we are with some epic coaster enthusiasts for Berry Tales again. Woohoo!
Good night.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Yeah, this is my only vlogging camera. I have absolutely no idea. Hey, does anyone know what this ride's like backstory is?
It's literally. Are you serious?
Like, what's the full story?
Are you serious?
Yes.
They're trying to go to a fair and make their pies, and look, the foxes are stealing the pies. So our goal is to shoot the foxes because they're stealing pies.
So we're committing animal abuse.
Murder.
Okay.
Animal slaughter.
Animal slaughter. I don't know how good this story is, but Berry Tales. Yes.
Yes.
That she really likes killing foxes.
Yes, I do.
Thanks to you, today has been grand. Do come back real soon.
Epic. How would you rate that ride? Okay, so after, first of all, shout out to everyone who I mentioned in the one of the last clips over there. But we got another ride on Berry Tales, and how was that?
Very fun.
Why'd you take your mask off, Karen? My sister is a Karen, confirmed.
No, I'm not.
No, no,
We
she's
burn
not.
Karens here on the stake. Anyway.
I'm gonna leave now, alright.
he said-
Lorotger. What? Hold on one
Ghost Rider,
second.
Coast Rider,
Last ride of the
Most
night on
Rider,
Ghost Rider.
Most Rider,
Somehow it doesn't have a line out the
Coast
entrance, so
Rider.
that's cool. What?
Nothing.
Okay, well, conclusion overall, I think that Knott's Berry Farm handled their reopening significantly better than Six Flags Magic Mountain did. I'll obviously be uploading a full video about what to expect when visiting Knott's Berry Farm in 2021. That will be uploaded 2 days after this video is uploaded, so stay tuned for that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Why are you touching me?
Oh my god.
Okay, anyways, goodbye.